Hello, my name is Nigel. I make a living from buying and selling second-hand precious metals, and I'm here to tell you all my secrets, which will help you gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to talk about Continental silver. As I've shown in my other video on British silver hallmarks, the British Lion for sterling silver, along with other standard marks, make for easy identification of sterling silver going back to medieval times. However, Continental, meaning other countries in Europe mainly, have different grades and symbols. Later silver items from the 1960s onwards adopted the 925 mark or were stamped sterling. Before this period, much of Europe had a lower grade of 800 or 80% silver. This was denoted by a crescent moon and a crown on German pieces, and for Austro-Hungarian pieces, it was a symbol of goddess Diana. I have a couple of pieces here, which are German with the crescent moon, this moon, and a plate here with the goddess Diana, the Austro-Hungarian one. While smaller items, like teaspoons, had a greyhound, small number and letter to denote where they were made and any slight difference in grade. A common grade found on late 19th and mid 20th century items is 830, which can be Danish, Norwegian or German. 835 means 83.5% silver purity and is typically Scandinavian, i.e. Finland, but can be Belgian or German. It is important to note that certain 835 and 830 hallmarks by makers such as George Jensen and other premier silversmiths command high prices. 935 grade crops up in French or Swiss items but can be Argentinian. Swiss pocket watch cases are sometimes 935, which is a slightly higher grade than sterling. 917 or 91.7 silver can be Maltese. 950 is typically Mexican with the word Taxco and numbers next to it, a mining state in southern Mexico. 900 can be Italian or Egyptian. Russian silver has various numbers you can research. One typical number is 84 zlotniki, which is 87.5% pure. Other numbers and finenesses exist, but this should give you an idea of some of the more common marks referred to as sometimes Continental. So being aware of Continental silver and its differing grades is important because you need to know the grade of silver in order to calculate how much it is worth by its weight, and therefore how much you're willing to pay for it in order to make a profit. Silver is measured in percentages out of 1,000. So 925 parts out of 1,000 equals 92.5% silver, known as sterling silver. This is how you calculate the silver percentage in an item based on the three numbers you see on the back of an item. I've also done another video on grades where I work through how to calculate the grade of a metal based on the number you see stamped on the back. Lots of Continental silver made its way to Europe as people have migrated over the centuries, and so it is highly likely that you will come across it. For more information on the history of European silver hallmarks and to keep as a reference guide, have a look at Tardy's reference book, which is a comprehensive guide going back to the 17th century. Thanks for watching, as always. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos on British silver hallmarks, grades of metal and silver plate.